Welcome to University of Portland, a liberal arts Catholic Holy Cross university consistently ranked top 10 in the West. UP's world-class experiential education engages the whole person, head, heart, and hands. Whether they're studying in the College of Arts and Sciences or one of the 4 professional schools of business, engineering, nursing, and health innovations, and education. Located in Portland, Oregon, UP is perched above the scenic Willamette River, surrounded by evergreen trees and situated in one of the top destinations for food, arts and culture, and outdoor adventure. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and we are about to explore this absolutely beautiful campus and meet students who are among the 3,500 pilots of all identities and backgrounds who call UP home. We'll hear from future engineers, nurses, actors, and Division I athletes who are taking full advantage of the opportunities and support UP offers, all while having the time of their lives. Welcome to University of Portland. This is the College Tour.